Hello, I'm Jenny, virtual presenter of Canal Innova Plus. Innova Plus News, MCTI and EMBRAPII is on the air, bringing posts available on the internet between December 4th and 7th, 2023. But, before you start, be sure to subscribe to our channel, here on YouTube. It's fast and free. Oh, you're already subscribed, so, thank you so much for your support. Take advantage and press the notification bell to stay up to date with the news of the channel, and also like and share the videos you like on your social networks. Help us reach the 1,000 subscriber mark. Let's get to today's posts. First block, MCTI. News number 1, MCTI, December 6, 2023, Brazil and Cuba advance in scientific and technological cooperation. Brazil and Cuba formalized their cooperation in scientific and technological cooperation, with the reactivation of the Science, Technology and Innovation Committee. At a meeting in Havana, Brazil's Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation and Cuba's Ministry of Science, Technology and Environment developed a program focused on biotechnology, bioeconomy, renewable energy, food security, climate and sustainability, and education and research networks. The Secretary of Science and Technology for Social Development of the MCTI, Ignacio Arruda, recalled the visit of Minister Luciana Santos to Cuba in September, when she signed a communication with Minister Alba Rosa Perez, reactivating the Committee on Science, Technology and Innovation. The action plan reflects a fruitful partnership with Brazil and Cuba interested in combining experiences for mutual growth. The meeting was also attended by representatives of the National Institute of Semi-Arid Diseases, the Strategic Center for Technology of the Northeast, the National Council for Scientific and Technological Development, the Financier of Studies and Projects, and the National Education and Research Network. News number 2, MCTI, December 6, 2023, Secretary Guila Calheiros defends a new national strategy for sustainable development. Guila Calheiros, Secretary of Technological Development and Innovation at MCTI, participated in the Brazil Innovation Day event in Berlin, discussing the country's innovation ecosystem. Calheiros explained that the legal framework for science, technology and innovation regulates the relationship between government, academia and the private sector, ensuring legal certainty for the construction of partnerships. The Brazilian innovation system has 4,000 research and development laboratories, 58 technology parks, 360 business incubators and 60 business accelerators. Calheiros highlighted the importance of the full composition of the National Fund for Scientific and Technological Development, FNDCT, and the Good Law as instruments for the advancement of private capital in innovation. However, Calheiros also highlighted the need to strengthen the national industry and improve people's quality of life. He emphasized the need for a new vision of development and a national strategy for sustainable development, urging international leaders, such as President Lula, to join the agenda. News number 3, MCTI, December 7, 2023, IMPA is accredited as a higher education institution. The Institute of Pure and Applied Mathematics, IMPA, a social organization linked to the Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation, MCTI, was recognized as a higher education institution. The ceremony was attended by President Lula, the Minister of Science, Technology and Innovations, Luciana Santos, and the Minister of Education, Camilo Santana. The event also marked the beginning of IMPA Tech, IMPA's first graduate course, and the opening of the selection process for the bachelor's degree in Mathematics of Technology and Innovation. IMPA Tech aims not only to train young professionals, but also to boost the country's innovation rates, positively impacting companies and the Brazilian economy. IMPA Tech will be located in Porto Mara Valley, a technology hub, and will offer up to 100 students per year. The selection process will use the students' performance in knowledge Olympiads and in the National Education Exam. News number 4, MCTI, December 7, 2023, IMPA is accredited as a higher education institution. The Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation, MCTI, endorsed scientific cooperation with the United States Geological Survey, AGU, at the COP28 conference in Dubai. A meeting between the heads of the scientific entity and members of the Brazilian delegation was held to identify synergies for scientific cooperation between Brazil and the USA. The AGU, founded in 1919 by the U.S. National Council for Scientific Research, is an American association that brings together scientific societies in fields such as meteorology and hydrology. It currently has a global scientific community. The meeting also discussed the inclusion of social and political risks in climate change models and the impact of political decisions on these scenarios. AGU's Vice President of Global Partnerships, Mark Shimamoto, emphasized the need for more research on points of no return, tipping points, and their implications for the Amazon. The meeting was attended by the coordinator of the Climate Network, the researcher from the University of São Paulo and the senior advisor of the AGU, Chris Guillo. Second block, EMBRAPII. News number 5, EMBRAPII, December 4, 2023, Vegan Market Boosts Startup. The growing demand for vegan products is in line with consumers' alternative consumption values, with a focus on health, the environment, and animal welfare. The vegan market is expected to reach $34 billion by 2028, according to SkyQuest's 2022 report. In Brazil, 59% of consumers already prefer plant-based alternatives to animal products. Startups are focused on developing new products with significant market potential. One example is Angie Chocolates, a vegan cappuccino based on coffee and cocoa ingredients from the biodiversity of the Pantanal and Cerrado. The product is expected to enter the market in 2024. The company is working with the EMBRAPII Agritech unit of the Federal University of Mato Grosso do Sul, UFMS, to develop bioeconomic technologies for food, bioinputs and sustainability in agribusiness. Cappuccino is expected to be of high nutritional quality and have several health benefits, including antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties, and reduced LDL, cholesterol, levels. The unit also aims to promote sustainable development through the use of local fruits for local communities. News number 6, IFPB, December 5, 2023, Soft Skills in the Spotlight. IFPB carries out second certification of EMBRAPII's mirror projects. The Federal Institute of Paraíba, IFPB, granted a 2-year certificate to the students of the project execution projects of the EMBRAPII 4.0 program. The program focuses on teaching students at various levels of education, aiming to enhance their skills in applied research for industry and the area of competence of the accredited unit. The program focuses on teaching students project-based learning, PDL, or project-based learning, emphasizing the importance of soft skills training for the improvement of interpersonal and social-emotional relationships in the workplace. The certificate is of great importance to PRPIP, as it allows students to develop their emotional capacities and talents in project development. The program offers diverse opportunities for the world of work through quality education, research, outreach, and innovation. The program's tutor, Heremita Lira, appreciates the involvement of everyone involved and encourages students to keep in touch with the Dean of Student Affairs to ensure their success. The EMBRAPII 4.0 program is an initiative of the Ministry of Education, MEC, the Ministry of Science and Technology, MCTI, and the Brazilian Research and Innovation Corporation, EMBRAPII. News number 7, EMBRAPII, December 6, 2023, Biotechnology, a booming market. Brazilian startup EMBRAPII is developing a method to validate a new drug for phototherapy procedures for skin cancer treatment in the SUS, Unified Health System. The project aims to introduce a new, low-cost drug for phototherapy procedures, replacing the current high-cost US imported ointment. EMBRAPII's ointment, developed from a synthetic aminolevulinic acid, is expected to be available in 2024. However, Anvisa's approval is required for the national drug to be widely available. The project, which will involve investments of 900 million Brazilian reals, aims to reduce the number of surgeries for small melanoma cases and eliminate the need for mutilations and cicadas on a large scale. The company is also focusing on developing a new analytical method for the drug. The project will also have social benefits, as it could reduce the need for minor surgery and eliminate the need for large-scale mutilations and cicadas. EMBRAPII is also focusing on developing a new diagnostic tool for skin cancer, which could be used in the future. News number 8, EMBRAPII, December 7, 2023, Biotechnology, an expanding market. The CEO of Hygia Biotechnology, Cicero Oliveira, talks about EMBRAPII's opportunities for support in the development of a technology to prevent contamination in hospital, dental, industrial and laboratory environments. The biotechnology market is booming, with investments totaling approximately $32.5 billion in Brazil. Brazilian startup Higia Biotechnology is working with EMBRAPII Lactech to develop ultra-fast biochemical indicators for the control of disinfection and hospital infections. The company works with SUS and private institutions, developing biochemical reading equipment to monitor and verify the effectiveness of sterilization processes in hospitals, dental clinics, pharmaceutical industries and laboratories. The company aims to democratize access to ultra-fast biochemical analysis and products/services, offering competitive solutions. The project aims to reduce time and costs for results, allowing for safer and more accurate verification of results. The company is committed to supporting the development of this technology and collaborating with other companies in the biotechnology market. News number 9, PANTANEIRO. December 7, 2023, Union announces investment of 657 million Brazilian reals in the health complex. The Brazilian government announced an investment of 657 million Brazilian reals in the Health Economic Industrial Complex, CEIS, with 4 ordinances establishing a matrix of productive and technological challenges and structuring programs. The investment aims to increase drug production capacity in Farmanguinhos, develop advanced products for cancer treatment, and invest in innovative medical devices and equipment. The government also plans to invest 8.1 billion Brazilian reals between 2024 and 2026 in CEIS, with the aim of expanding domestic production of priority health items and reducing Brazil's dependence on foreign health products.